Yeah.
That's
all spoonbill. We put their beaks in like a little thing.
Seriously, that's all mallards.
Oh,
It's the mallards we shoot.
We shot like, I think that was 36 up there, something like that.
Dang.
Oh, you sent me that picture. You stuck him in Gunner's Hickey?
Yeah, that was neat.
You gotta get his phone.
Blackbird, I had his number, I think. I think I did. I had his number. I remember I sent him a picture, but I don't think I have it. Well, I didn't save his number.
You call them nigga mallards.
Yeah, I don't have his number.
I guarantee we outhunted anybody around Delacroix.
Damn, Lee. What in the world are you doing?
I couldn't stop.
Yeah. That cut might not be making you stop.
Make a left with this next round.
You, Mr. Lee, gonna be seeing 2 rabbits.
These guys are really, make sure you see rabbit before you shoot. Don't, when the dog's coming through the weeds, don't shoot in the weed. Make sure it's a rabbit. These guys.
Usually those rabbits are about 50 yards in front of a dog anyway.
Yeah. There'll be some sneakers coming through and all.
Some sneakers.
That's what they do.
They sneak out, they kind of hide.
Like, they just,
Sneakers.
like they'll get away from the pack.
These
And
are
just,
the ones you want to shoot. You shoot them in the ears. Put holes in the ears.
you aim, no, he's serious. You shoot them, you aim for the ear and you
For the
barely
head.
clip
Right
them.
in there. Bow.
You barely clip
You
them.
don't mess up none of them. Shoot them sneak. Bow.
That's what,
Shoot
when
them in the
You don't want
ears.
to take a 22.
when we went to Venice, I mean,
They ain't going that slow.
not-
They ain't hopping, dude. As soon as they see you, they roll. You gotta be quiet when they run through the dog. These
When we,
as quiet as it is, no wind picks, and they good little bit.
when we went to
Thanks,
Venezuela and we shot all of them at the car, every guy, like, we'd shoot them and like the little Venezuelans would grab them. Every time they grab them, in la cabeza, in the head.
Right hand, we shoot with 22. Like,
In the cabeza.
We shoot
with
shotguns.
Mexico.
We shot them in the shotgun in Venezuela.